Today I will be discussing question based on arrangement. The first set I have chosen from linear arrangement and the second will be of circular arrangement. So first set consists three questions. So these are the directions how to solve that questions, right? So the information given below is it says that seven persons Shwati, Preeti, Dipti, Kirti, Pragati, Riti and Harati are standing in a queue but not necessarily in that order. The following information is known about them. It is known that Preeti is standing behind only one person. So that means what we can say that ahead of Preeti there is only one person. That's why Preeti is standing behind only one person. So let us say here is Preeti for an example, right? So Preeti will be definitely the second. There will be one person ahead of Preeti. That will be the first one, right? Now Swati is behind Preeti and ahead of Preeti. Where will be Swati that we do not know, but only we can say that Swati cannot be at the first place, right? And this is one to total. There are seven persons. So let's say here will be the third person. This is the fourth one. This is fifth. This is sixth, and at last this is seventh. So it is said that Swati is behind Preeti and ahead of Preeti. So we can write, let's say this will be like this, something, Preeti, and then below Preeti somewhere there will be Swati, and below Swati somewhere there will be Preeti. So above Preeti, it cannot be Swati as well as Riti, right? Now, only two persons are sitting between Harati. So here we got one more information about Harati that only two persons are standing behind Harati. So that means what definitely Harati will be at the fifth positions. So the persons who will be standing at sixth and seventh that will be behind of Harati. So let's say Harati is at fifth positions. Next, now I'm skipping step 4. I will come it to later. So fifth, Pragati is ahead of Dipti. Dipti, who is not the second from the rear end. So from here we can say that Dipti cannot be here. It says that Dipti cannot be at the second from the rear end. So Dipti cannot be at the sixth place, and it is said that Pragati is ahead of Dipti. So that means that if Dipti is cannot be here, Dipti can be seventh and Pragati can be the sixth. So now again right here like this that Pragati at first and then behind of Pragati there will be Dipti, right? So let us say we have two more informations here about the Preeti, Swati, Riti, and the one is Pragati and Dipti. That now come to here, fourth one. What fourth one said? The number of persons standing ahead of Riti, the number of persons standing ahead of Riti is same as the number of persons standing behind Kirti. So what we can say here is, let us say for an example, if I say here is Riti and above Riti there are n persons. For an example, that means what if somewhere his Kirti, the number of persons behind Kirti will also be n. That is all about what all about the step 4 says, right? So now from here as we know that total there are odd number of persons here standing in a queue, so which means that Kriti and Riti cannot be at the middle one, right? Because if I say that the Riti is here for an example, then above Riti there will be three persons. In that case below Kriti it should also be 3. In that case Kriti has to be at 4 only, which is not possible. So that means what R and K, Riti and Kriti cannot be at fourth position. Now again come to this. It is mentioned that Riti is below Priti and Swati is ahead of Riti. So if Riti is not here, if Riti would be here, then Swati would be here. If Riti is not here, where will be Riti? Riti can be at sixth or Riti can be at seventh. Now let us say suppose if Riti is at sixth, so how many persons will be ahead of Riti? There will be 5 persons, right? Similarly, according to the step 4, the persons below Kriti, that will also be 5 because both have the same number of persons in front of Riti as well as in below Kirti. So below Kriti, 5 persons, Kriti has to be here, which is not possible. Kriti cannot be at second, because if Kriti cannot be at second, then below Kriti cannot be the number of persons 5, which means that Riti cannot be here. Riti cannot be at sixth. So that means there is only one positions left for Riti, that is seventh. And we can say that Riti will be at seventh, and total there are 6 persons. All the persons are basically above of Riti, which means that 6 persons should also be below Kirti. So it is possible when Kriti as first position. So we can say here will be Kriti. So Kriti first, Riti last. Now it is mentioned here that above Riti there must be Shwati. So Shwati can be at 6, can be at 4, can be at 3. But the question here said that Pragati should also be ahead of Dipti, and Dipti cannot be at 4. So if Dipti cannot be at 4, which means Dipti can be at 4 only. Dipti cannot be at 6, which means Dipti can be on 4, because ahead of Dipti there should be one vacant positions that we will fill for Pragati. So what we can say here is that at fourth positions there will be Dipti, and third will be Pragati, and the position sixth left here will be Swati. So here will be Swati. Now again, after solving, just check all the steps here, that whether this arrangement is correct or not. So first of all, Preeti is standing behind only one person. So Preeti is behind only one person. Yes, this is correct according to our arrangement. Now Swati is behind Preeti and ahead Riti. So Swati is at 6, which is behind Preeti and ahead of Riti. So this second step is also correct. Third says only 2 persons are standing behind Harati. Right. So only 2 persons are standing behind Harati. So let us say Harati is here, fifth, and there are 2 persons, that is Swati and Riti. So this is also correct. Now the number of persons ahead of Riti is same as the number of persons standing behind of Kirti. So ahead of Riti is 6 persons and behind of Kirti is also 6 persons. So which means this is also correct. Now Pragati is ahead of Dipti. It says Pragati who is ahead of Dipti. So Pragati is at third and Dipti is at fourth. So which means Pragati is ahead of Dipti. Now Dipti who is not the second from the rear end. Yes, Dipti is not second from the rear end. Dipti is at fourth position, middle one. So this is also correct. Now we'll look at the question based on these directions, right? So the questions are, the first questions, who standing immediately in front of Harati? So let's say who is immediately in front of Harati? So immediately in front of Harati is Deepti. So our answer will be Deepti, which is option D for question number 1. Now the second question, what is the position of Swati from the front end of the queue? So as we can say, Swati is at 6th position from the front end. So the answer will be option C. Now third, how many persons are standing ahead of Riti? So as we can see, Riti is at the last positions. Total there are 6 persons that are ahead of Riti. So which means there are answer will be 6. I hope this is clear. We'll move to the second set, that is based on circular arrangement. Let us see. So here it says that 6 persons, Anvesh, Dinesh, Suresh, Ganesh, Naresh, Avinash are standing in a circular table, not necessarily, it is mentioned here that not necessarily in the same order as mentioned here in the directions, right? Now among them, 3 persons are facing away from the center, right? It is mentioned that 3 persons are facing away from the center and 3 persons are facing the center. So total there are 6%. Out of 6%, 3 are facing inside the center and 3 are facing outside the center. So let us say first of all I am writing here that who is facing center, right? That will write the name of that persons here, and those who are facing away from the center, right? So that will write here. Now, first of all, read the instructions carefully. What is given in the instruction and try to write that instructions, right? Then we'll solve the questions easily. Ganesh is facing towards the center. So first of all, we'll check only that which person is facing either center or away from center, that we will note down. That's it. The first of all, we'll do this much only, right? So it is mentioned that Ganesh is facing towards the center. So facing the center is one person we come to know, that is Ganesh. Now, and is sitting second to the left of Dinesh. Dinesh, who is adjacent to Suresh. Now, Anvesh, who is facing away from the center. One more information about their position, that is Anvesh is facing away from the center. So here is Anvesh, right? Now, and it is sitting to the immediate right of Avinash. Avinash, who is an immediate neighbor of Dinesh. Dinesh, who is facing away from the center. So one more information about Dinesh, that Dinesh is also facing away from the center, same as the Anvesh. So let us say here is Dinesh. Now we'll try to fill their positions according to the questions. So where will be, where they will sit. So let us say these are the 6 vacant positions. So first of all, I'm starting from Ganesh. So it is mentioned here again. So that Ganesh is facing towards the center. So let us say first fill that here is Ganesh, for example. So if I say here is Ganesh and Ganesh is facing inside the center, we come to know, and is sitting second to the left of Dinesh, who is adjacent to Suresh. So Ganesh is second to the left of Dinesh, and we know that Dinesh is facing away from the center. So let us say, suppose if I say Dinesh is here, if Dinesh sit here and Dinesh is facing away from the center, so this will be the left of Dinesh, right? And it is mentioned that second to the left of Dinesh is Ganesh, right? And if you put Dinesh here, so Dinesh is facing away from the center. What we'll get is this will be the right. So as because Dinesh is away, so which means that Dinesh must sit here because Dinesh is facing away from the center. Now as you can see, Dinesh is away from the center, so this is second to the left of Dinesh, and Ganesh is facing towards the center is second to the left of Dinesh. So now that is correct. Now here who is at Dinesh, who is adjacent to Suresh. So which means we have two possibilities for Suresh. The first can be Suresh can be here, and the second Suresh can be here, right? So as we do not know where can be the Suresh, so let's say we'll keep these two possibilities and move forward. What are the more information given ahead? So now next is Anvesh, who is facing away from the center, is sitting to the immediate right of Avinash. Anvesh is immediate right of Avinash. Avinash, where is Avinash? Avinash, who is an immediate neighbor of Dinesh. Oh, so that means what? Again, we have two possibilities for Avinash also. Let's say this is the Avinash. This is Avinash, and here is also can be Avinash. Avinash have two possibilities because Avinash is adjacent to Dinesh. But here it is mentioned that Anvesh, who is facing away from the center, is sitting to the immediate right of Avinash. If Avinash is here, its adjacent place is already filled. So in that case, if we put Avinash here, there will be no space for Anvesh. So that means clearly that Avinash cannot be here. Avinash can be here only. So now write it clearly that here cannot be Suresh and here cannot be Anvesh. Suresh will be here and Avinash will be here. So now write Avinash here and Suresh here. That are the fixed positions. Now it is mentioned that as because Avinash is here and the immediate right of Avinash is Anvesh, it is mentioned. So only one vacant positions for Anvesh. So Anvesh will be definitely here. And as we know the Anvesh face away from the center, so this is away. Now as it is mentioned that Avinash is Anvesh is basically immediate right of Avinash. Here it is mentioned that Anvesh, who is facing away from the center, is sitting immediate right is sitting immediate right of Avinash, which means that Avinash has to face away from the center. Then only Anvesh will be the right of Avinash. Right? So now away from the center is Anvesh also, and away from the center is Ganesh also. Right? So now let us is that who is an immediate neighbor of Dinesh? So that we got who is away facing away from the center. So we left with only one person, that are Naresh. So here will be Naresh, right? And Naresh, as we can say that where is Naresh? Here is Naresh, that are left. So away from the center is Avinash. Away from the Ganesh is inside the center. Avinash is away from the center. Anvesh is away from the center. Oh, my fault. I have denoted as inside the center. So this is Anvesh, that will be away from the center. Okay. Next, Dinesh, that is away from the center. So the Anvesh is away from the center. Avinash is and Dinesh. So here we'll write Avinash because Avinash is not mentioned. Next, inside the center is Ganesh. Naresh will also be inside the center because there are three persons who are inside Naresh. And Suresh will also face inside the center. So this is also Suresh. Right? So these are the arrangement. Now on based on these arrangement, we'll try to solve the questions. The question which are based on this. So now let us say here that who among the following facing towards the center. So who are facing towards the center? So towards the center, as we know that Naresh is facing, first of all, according to the options, we'll have to check Suresh and Dinesh. So as we know that Suresh is facing inside, but Dinesh is facing outside. So A cannot be the answer. Avinash and Naresh. Avinash is away, so it cannot be. Ganesh and Avinash. Ganesh inside, Avinash outside, not possible. Suresh and Naresh. So now Suresh and Naresh, as you can see, Naresh inside and Suresh is also inside. So that means what? These are the two persons who are facing inside the centers. Next, fifth, who is sitting to the immediate left of Suresh? Where is Suresh? So Suresh is here. Suresh facing inside the center. So Suresh immediate left will be Dinesh, right? So here is Dinesh. That is option B. Second, if Anvesh and Avinash interchange their position, then who is sitting to the immediate right of Anvesh? So if Avinash and Anvesh and Avinash interchange their position. So let us say here is Avinash. If I say here is Anvesh and here is Anvesh, let us say here is Avinash according to the questions. Then it says who is sitting to the immediate right of Anvesh. So as because Anvesh is here and it is facing away from the, because it says if Anvesh and Avinash interchange their position, right? So in that case, who will be immediate right of Anvesh? Immediate right of Anvesh will be Avinash. So the Avinash will be the answer. Next, who is sitting to the opposite position of Anvesh? Who is opposite to the Anvesh? Now here will not consider this, right? So when we are trying question number 7, these based only for question number 6. So we'll remove this. And now who is sitting to the opposite position of Anvesh? So here is Anvesh and the opposite of Anvesh is Suresh. So the answer is option A. I hope this is clear, right? Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.